हम सब इंडिया की ग्लोबल सक्सेस पे काफी गर्व करते हैं, राइट? बट जब भी कोई फॉरेनर इंडिया के पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स या लिटर्ड रोड्स का वीडियो डालता है, डोंट वी क्विकली से दिस इज नॉट द रियल इंडिया? बट डू वी रियली थिंक कि क्या है रियल इंडिया? Is it the skyscrapers of Gurgaon and Bangalore, or the footpaths that are being treated as dustbins in the same city? Now, on one hand, we're building world-class infrastructure and tech hubs, expressways, and India is definitely rising. There's no doubt about that. But on the other hand, we're still battling with littered streets, public urination, spit-stained walls, and plastic-choked rivers. और जब भी ये कोई कैप्चर करता है, we only have the ultimate reply. ये तो असली इंडिया है ही नहीं। तो फिर असली इंडिया है क्या? Just the shiny corporate buildings and airports? And we can't really cherry pick, can we? So every part of India is India, and ignoring the ugly doesn't make it disappear. I recently read in an article which said in March 2025, an Air India flight flying from Chicago to Delhi had 300 passengers. But guess what? The flight had to turn back after flying for 5 hours. And this wasn't due to a technical glitch, but because 8 out of 12 toilets broke down. Because people flushed plastic bags, rags, even clothes into the system. And this has made global headlines. But the more shocking part is no action from the DGCA, no investigation, and no policy. Just silence. And not just in flights, but even in Vande Bharat Express, which we call our pride, toilets are misused and trains are vandalized. अपने ही देश की प्रॉपर्टी का हम ख्याल नहीं रखते, then why are we always surprised if our global image takes a hit? And by the way, this is not because of illiteracy or poverty in our country. The major problem here is mindset. ये मेरा काम है नहीं, सफाई तो गवर्नमेंट करेगी. But the country is not run by the government. It's the people that are the most integral part, and we need to take ownership. So it's not just about teaching civic sense. We need to build a culture of responsibility where both the citizens and the system are connected. India deserves better, and we as citizens need to be a part of the solution. Let's make the whole of India worthy of pride and not just the polished parts.